वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. Good evening everyone. We are learning 12th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. We will revise the slokas that we learned so far. I will call the name only. Unmute yourself and recite. Shrikar. Yes. Om. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः. अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ताये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तं तेषां ते योगवित्तमाः. Excellent. Saisha?
Yes, ma'am. श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यावेशमनो ये मां नित्ययुक्ता उपासते श्रद्धया परयोपेताः ते मे युक्ततमा मताः.
Shrika? अव्यक्तं पर्युपासते सर्वत्र ब्रह्मचिन्त्यं च कूटस्थमचलं ध्रुवम्. Excellent. Saisha?
Yes, ma'am. तन्नियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः.
Excellent. Shrika? क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते. Excellent. So far we learned 12th slok, 12 up to 12 we learned, but revised up to 5. We will go with 6th one. Lakshana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ye tu sarvani. Repeat.
Ye tu sarvani.
Karmani.
Karmani.
Mayi sanyasya.
Mayi sanyasya.
Matparaha.
Matparaha.
Ananyenaiva.
Ananyenaiva.
Yogena.
Yogena.
Mam dhyayanta.
Mam dhyayanta.
Mam dhyayanta.
Mam dhyayanta.
Mam. Just recite Mam.
Mam.
Yes. Dhyayanta.
Mam dhyayanta.
Dhyayanta. Just tell me that one. Dhyayanta.
Dhyayanta.
Correct. Upasate.
Upasate.
Good. Yes. Lohit. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ye tu sarvani.
Ye tu sarvani.
Karmani.
Karmani.
Mayi sanyasya.
Mayi sanyasyam.
Matparaha.
Matparaha.
Ananyenaiva.
अनन्येनैव
योगेन
योगेन
मां
मां
ध्यायन्त
यन्तम्
उपासते.
उपासते.
Excellent. Saisha, welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite full sloka.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते.
Excellent.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
yeah. Welcome. Mayon? Mayon or Mayon? Mayon, I think so. Yes, Mayon. Ye tu
ये तु
सर्वाणि कर्माणि
कर्माणि कर्माणि
मयि सन्न्यस्य
मयि सन्न्यस्य
मत्पराः
पराः
अनन्येनैव
अनन्येनैव
योगेन
योगेन
मां Yes, मां recite. Yanta. Voice is not coming. Yanta. Upasate.
उपासते.
Yes, you have to loud, okay? See your face on in the screen. Recite very well, okay? So it will have a confident. You will not fear. Okay. Yes. Lakshana. Yes. Yeah, I called Lakshana. Yeah, 1 minute. Lakshana. Nidardani. 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 Yes, Shrikar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ye tu sarvani
ये तु सर्वाणि
karmani
कर्माणि
mayi sanyasya
मयि सन्न्यस्य
matparaha
मत्पराः
ananyenaiva
अनन्येनैव
yogena
योगेन
मां ध्यायन्त
मां ध्यायन्त
upasate.
उपासते.
Excellent recitation. Yes, Shrikar, welcome. Recite full sloka.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते.
Excellent. We will go to next sloka. Yes. Mayon. Mayon. Yes. Tesha maham. Don't bite. Tesha maham.
तेषामगं
Samudharta.
समहर्ता
Samudharta.
दत्ता
Mrityu.
मृत्यु
Samsara.
संसार
Sagarat.
सागरात्
Bhavami.
गवामि
Not Gavami. Bhavami.
भवामि
नचिरात्
नजीरात्
पार्थ
पार्थ
मय्या
मय्या
वेशित
वेशित
चेतसाम्
देवदसा
excellent. Nidardani.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Nidardani.
Ma'am.
Teshamaham.
Teshamaham
Yeah, your face is not visible. Samudharta.
samuddarta
Mrityu samsara.
mrityu samsara
Sagarat.
sagarat
Bhavami.
bhavami
Nachirat.
nachirat
Partha.
hatha
Maya.
maya
Veshita.
veshita
Chetasam.
chetasam
Excellent recitation. Shrikar. Recite full sloka.
तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता दुःखसंसारसागरात् भवामि नचिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्
Excellent. Yes. Lakshana.
Yes.
Teshamaham
तेषामहं
samudharta
समुद्धर्ता
mrityu samsara
मृत्यु संसार
sagarat
सागरात्
bhavami
भवामि
nachirat partha nachirat
नजीरात्
partha
पार्थ
maya
मय्यां
veshita
वेशित
chetasam.
चेतसाम्
Excellent. Lohit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you recite?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, recite. Try. You know the sloka? Yes, try. Unmute yourself. Yes, recite.
I
Don't.
don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Teshamaham
तेषामहं
samudharta
समुद्धर्ता
dharta. First ta.
दर्दा
Not darda. It is ta. Dharta.
कर्ता
Correct. Mrityu samsara
मृत्युं संसार
sagarat
सागरात्
bhavami
भवामि
nachirat
नचिरात्
partha.
पार्थक
Not partha only. Partha.
पार्थ
Correct. Maya
मय्या
veshita
वेशित
chetasam.
चेतसाम्
Excellent. Saisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite full sloka.
Okay, ma'am. तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्.
Excellent. We will go to
Thank you,
next
ma'am.
shloka. Yes, welcome. See, for new students, I am explaining you how we are splitting. So we are splitting into 4 parts for the better recitation. Okay, அதாவது பிரீத் எடுத்து படிக்கணும் இல்லையா, அதனால 4 பார்ட்டா பிரிக்கிறோம். ஓகே, அப்போ 4 பார்ட்டா பிரிக்கிறப்ப அங்க இடையில கொஞ்சம் சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்கு. அந்த சேஞ்சஸ் நான் எப்ப சொல்றேனோ அதெல்லாம் நோட் பண்ணிக்கணும். அதனால புக் இஸ் மஸ்ட். ஈவன் தோ பிடிஎஃப் ஸ்கிரீன்ல பார்த்தாலும் நீங்க புக் வச்சுட்டு இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப கம்பல்சரி. புக் வச்சிருந்தா தான் அதை வந்து பார்த்து படிக்க முடியும், சேஞ்சஸை நோட் பண்ணிக்க முடியும். So that it will be easy to recite. How other students only 3 days, okay, they attend. Now they are reciting very well with fluent. You can see Shrikar and Saisha, both of them. Okay, so like that you have to recite. The focus is you have to recite entire sloka, okay, by seeing with a proper pronunciation. That is the aim. So we are splitting here into 4 parts. Mayeva mana adhatsva. Up to here first pada. Mayi buddhim niveshaya. Up to here second pada. Niva sishyasi. Mayeva. Up to here third pada. Pada means it is a part. Okay. So put one big comma here. So you will break here and you will take a breath here. Okay, then atha urdhvamna samshayaha. Up to here fourth pada. So we are splitting into 4 parts for easy recitation. Okay, now we will go with the recitation part with Lakshana.
Yes, ma'am.
Mayyeva mana.
Mayyeva mana
Adhatsva.
adatsva.
Correct. Mayi buddhim
Mayi buddhim
niveshaya.
niveshaya.
Nivasishyasi.
Nivasishyasi.
Correct. Mayyeva.
Mayyeva
Atha urdhvamna.
ata
Urdhvam.
urdhvamna
Correct. Samshayaha.
samjayaha.
Samshayaha.
Samshayaha.
Yes. Uttam. Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mayyeva mana.
Mayyeva mana
Adatsva.
adatsva.
Mayi buddhim.
Mayi buddhim
Niveshaya.
niveshaya.
Nivasishyasi.
Nivasishyasi.
Correct. Mayyeva.
Mayyeva
Atha urdhvamna.
atha urdhvamna
Samshayaha.
samshayaga.
Marvelous. Beautiful recitation. Shrikar,
Ma'am.
recite full sloka.
Mayyeva mana adatsva. Mayi buddhim niveshaya. Nivasishyasi mayyeva atha urdhvamna samshayaha.
Excellent. Mayon?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Mayyeva mana. I can't hear you. Mayye. Mana.
Mana
Correct. Adatsva.
adatsva.
Correct. Mayi buddhim.
Mayi buddhim
Niveshaya.
niveshaya.
Nivasishyasi.
Nivasishyasi
Mayyeva.
mayyeva
Atha
अथ
ऊर्ध्वं न
ऊर्ध्वम्
ऊर्ध् ऊर्ध् वम करेक्ट न संशयः
संशयः
ग இல்ல संशयः संशयः हा sound உத்தமம் கா சொல்லக்கூடாது ஹான்னு சொல்லணும் ஓகே ஓகே பென்சில் அங்கதான் இருக்கு ஓகே संशयः recite கா இல்ல ஹா ஹா சொல்லு சொல்லு எஸ் அவ்வளவுதான் ஓகே எஸ் ஆயிஷா
Yes, ma'am.
நாம் recite
मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मयेव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः
ஆம் மை ஏவ ஓகே தேர்ட் பாதா இட் இஸ் நாட் மை ஏவ மை ஏவ ஐ சவுண்ட் யா யா
निवसिष्यसि मय्येव
correct excellent we will go to the next sloka welcome yes lohit atha chittam sama dhatum correct na shaknoshi excellent mayi sthiram abhyasa yogena tato yes mamich chaptum dhananjaya yeah you can combine and tell okay ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒண்ணா சேர்த்து சொன்னாலும் ஓகே தான் ஓகேவா ஆனா ரிசைட் பண்ணணும் சிரிக்கலாம் கூடாது ஓகே கான்சென்ட்ரேட்டா படிக்கணும் ஓகே நல்லா வருது ஸ்பஷ்டமா வார்த்தைகள் வருது ஒன்லி கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணா நல்லா படிக்கலாம் ஓகே எஸ்
Okay, ma'am.
ஆம் லக்ஷணா
Yes, ma'am.
அத சித்தம்
अथ चित्तं
சமாதாத்தும்
समादातुं
ந சக்னோஷி மயி ஸ்திரம்
न न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम्
கரெக்ட் அபியாசயோகேன ததோ
अभ्यासयोगेन ततो
மாமிச்சாப்தும்
मामिच्छाप्तुं
தனஞ்சய
धनञ्जय
உத்தமம் சாயிஷா
Yes, ma'am.
recite full stop.
अथ चित्तं समादातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nidardani, welcome. Atha chittam samadhatum na shaknoshi mayi sthiram abhyasa yogena tato mamichaptum dhananjaya Excellent. Yes, Lohit.
This one.
Atha chittam
Adachittam
samadhatum
Damadatum
na shaknoshi
Nashashnosi
mayi sthiram
Shiram
mayi sthiram
Shiram
abhyasa yogena tato
Abhyasurenato
yogena tato
Yogena Tato
mamichaptum
Mani Chatam
dhananjaya.
Pranantaya
Excellent. Don't laugh. Okay, don't disturb my own while reciting. Shrikar. Full sloka.
Atachittam samadatum na shaknosi mahisthiram abhyasa yogena tato mamichatum dhananjaya.
Excellent. We will go to next sloka. Yes, already we learned. Just a new devotees. I call you your name. Okay. Lakshana.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhyasepya
Abhyasebhya
samarthosi
samadhosi
matkarma
matkarma
paramo bhava.
parano bhava
Paramo.
paramo bhava
Yes. Madarthamapi. Madarthamapi.
madarthamapi
Karmani.
karmani
Kurvan.
kurvan
Siddhima.
siddhima
Vapsyasi.
Hmm?
Vapsyasi.
vapsyasi.
Yeah, you are seeing the screen or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which script you are using, English or Sanskrit?
Ma'am, English.
English, okay. But use your textbook, okay? For better recitation, you have to use your textbook. Yes. Lohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Abhyasepya. Both of you. Recite together. Don't write anything. Concentrate here. Abhyasepya.
Abhyasepya
Samarthosi.
Samarthosi
Matkarma.
Matkarma
Paramo bhava.
Paramo Bhava
Paramo bhava. What happened? Okay. Voice is not coming. Saisha,
Yes, ma'am.
recite full sloka.
Abhyasepya samarthosi Matkarma Paramo
Paramo. Yes, yes. Complete. Saisha, complete. Next, I will take you. Lohit, wait.
Abhyasepya samarthosi Matkarma Paramo Bhava Madartamapi karmani kurvan siddhimavapyasi.
Vapsyasi is sound.
Vapsyasi.
Yes, Uttama.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lohit, welcome.
This one.
Yes. Abhyasepya
Abhyasepya
samarthosi
samarthosi
karma
Matkarma
paramo bhava
Paramogava
madarthamapi karmani
Madarkarmani
madarthamapi.
Madarkarmani
Yes, see the screen. Lohit, see the screen. Madarthamapi
Karmani
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 kurvan
Urvani
siddhima
Siddhima
vapsyasi.
Abhyasi
Excellent. Don't bite your finger. Mayon, take out your finger. Yes, Shrika,
Mom
full sloka.
अभ्यासेत्य समर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि अवाप्स्यसि
Vapsyasi is sound.
अवाप्स्यसि
Vaps. Okay.
अवाप्स्यसि
Yes. Excellent. Okay, go with this one. You revised or not? I want to see. Yes, recite 11th sloka.
अतैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि करतुं
Not karatum, kartum. Kartum. It is not karatum.
कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रिता सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं ततः कुरु यतात्मवान्
Uttamam.
Ma'am, but in my book it is given as Karatum.
No, kartum. It is kartum. Action what we are doing. Okay, we have to surrender. That is the meaning. And in the first line, in the last, Shritaha, you said something. Okay, Shritaha. Okay, yes, by practice it will come. Lakshana,
Yes, ma'am.
Athai,
Athai
Tadapya,
Tadapya
Shaktosi,
Shaktosi
Kartum,
Kartum
Madyoga,
Madhyoga
Mashritaha,
Mashritaha
Sarvakarma,
Sarvakarma
Phalatyagam.
Falatyagam.
In Sanskrit, there is no fa is there. Only in English, only in the Hindi, it will be fa. Okay, but in Sanskrit, there is no fa. We have to say pa, pha, pa. Okay, Phalatyagam.
Phalatyagam.
Excellent. Tatah kuru.
Tatah Guru.
Kuru, not guru, kuru. Yes. Yatatmavan.
Yatatmavan.
Excellent. Yes. We will end the session here. We will have the one, that is the rules to recite, how we are. Okay, so now I've split into that part, the only part by part, 4 part I split. Here also I am splitting here, athai, put 1 comma, then tadapya, put 1 comma, small comma, so that it will be easy to recite. Tadapya, comma, shaktosi. It is a big comma because we are breaking and we are also breathing little bit. Now, kartum, put 1 comma, madyoga, put 1 comma, mashritaha. Okay, each and every word I will have put 1 comma for you. Okay, for better recitation, I will tell you along with the sloka. First, I will explain the sloka. then I will have the mark of comma where we have to put all the things. Then we will come to know how to recite. Then I will call all the names who are all joined. So you have to recite, and if you are confident, you can recite the entire sloka. Okay, it is a first class for everyone who joined right now. So it is a new and two classes when we went, no, it will be easy to recite. Okay, I will end the session with Shanti Mantram. Sarve jana sukinaha, sarve bhavantu niramayaha.
Excuse me, ma'am. Nidha wants to